Miss Muses. For those who don't know, my name is Stephanie. I'm the S in Miss Muses as well as one half of Miss Muses. So the other half is Michelle, and in last week's video, she actually did a winter clothing haul and announced what country she's moving to, which is France, and she did a packing video for that. In today's video, I'm going to do a clothing haul with sustainable and ethical brands, and I'm announcing where I'm moving to, which is Thailand. I'm actually already here. I'm in my 2-week quarantine hotel. I'm going to show you what I packed for my move. Also, just want to let anybody new here know that our channel is all about lifestyle and travel. So if you're interested in Thailand and France and cost of living, differences in each country, and cool places to visit, you should subscribe because we have a lot of that content coming. So obviously the clothes that I'm going to be showing you in this haul is for me to wear in Thailand. I've been here twice before. The first time was for vacation. The second time I was here for teaching for 6 months. So I do know what I wear, what I actually use, and what to expect in Thailand. So the first brand that I bought from was Kotn. It is a sustainable and ethical brand, and I just got 3 tanks. So there's not much to say about these tanks other than they're really good quality and they're pretty thick. So they're not cheap and won't rip easily, and I also feel like they're not going to be too warm at the same time. But I just know that these are going to last me a long time by the feel of them and the quality. I got a high neck for 2 out of 3 of the tanks. The white one, I actually had a problem with it. It is too sheer, so you can kind of see my boobs behind it. In America, I feel like I'd wear it and not care, but in Thailand, I want to be more respectful to the more like reserved or conservative culture. So I had to go out of my way and buy a bralette. I personally don't even like how the bralette looks under the tank, but I'm just gonna have to work with it and wear it. If I was to buy from Kotn again, I don't think I would get this white sheer tank again. But I absolutely love how the black tank looks. It's not sheer at all, and it's gonna match multiple outfits so easily because it's black, and I feel like it's my power color. As for the third tank, I got it in a square neckline, and the color is taupe melange, I believe. And I love it because it's nude, and I think it's going to look great on my skin tone. The next brand we're going to talk about is Okabashi. It's actually a sandals brand. It's sustainable and ethical. They're actually available at Target, but I bought them straight through the Okabashi website just because I didn't like the styles that Target had. But all I wear in Thailand is sandals, and I was actually using rainbows before, but I was using the hemp ones, and they're just too flat, don't give me any support, and tend to hurt because of the hemp. They're a little too rough. So I was on the hunt for some affordable and sustainable sandals, and I found them. Like I said, Okabashi is super affordable. I was able to get 2 pairs for $19.99 each, which I was so grateful for because rainbows, which I've been using for like 8 years before, they are $50 for 1 pair. And the first pair that I got are just regular black sandals. I'll be honest and say that I'm not a big fan of the design here. I don't think it's that cute, especially this part, but my fit's gonna cover it, so I don't care about that. What I do care about is that it has this little arch for support, as well as their color is black, so it can match everything, and they're super comfortable. These are the second sandals that I got. I wanted these because I've never had sandals that look like this. They kind of remind me of mules. I feel like they're going to be a little more challenging to style, but I'm up for the challenge. And again, they have the arch, which I really love, and they still have this part that I don't like, but like I said, my foot's gonna cover it, so it's totally fine. I also got a new bathing suit to wear at beaches and islands in Thailand. This isn't a sustainable brand. I actually got it from Target. I'll link it below, but I'm not gonna feel guilty for it just because I can't always afford the price of sustainable items. I just know that I got it in a neutral color, so I could get a lot of use out of it for years to come. This is the top of it. I love it. It's very like 1950s. And it looks really good. To match that, I got these bottoms, which are so flattering, especially in the ruffle side right here. They're high-waisted, so you know they hide your tummy a little, which I love. Stay tuned to future videos to see them in action because I don't feel comfortable just like trying them on right here in the camera. I also wanted to share this shirt as part of this haul. I got it from my mom. She's had it for 10 years, and she said she wanted to get rid of it last year, but it's like my favorite top on her, and I was like, I'll take it. And I wanted to add it to this video because getting something secondhand is the most sustainable form to shop. But I'm excited for this one, and I will show you the many ways to wear it. In the description box, I'll link similar blouses in multiple sizes from secondhand shops for those who want to achieve a similar look, but the overall goal is for the blouse to be a bit longer and oversized. That was my little clothing haul. I will link everything below in case you need anything and want to purchase it. I want to give a quick shout out to my brother because he bought me most of that for Christmas, so thank you, Osk. And now let's get onto the packing portion. I brought 2 luggages and 1 carry-on. My airline allowed me to check in 2 luggages. Usually I'm honestly able to stuff my whole life into 1 luggage and 1 carry-on, but because I brought gifts for my loved ones, 1 luggage was overweight, so I had the freedom to bring a few extra things and fit them all here. The first luggage we're going to start out with is the blue luggage. I'm going to explain to you everything that I'm going to put on this side. First, I have an adult coloring book in case I get bored, and also just a new hobby I want to take on. And then I do Muay Thai, so I brought my gloves, my wraps, my shorts, and then here I have some wireless headphones my brother got me. I have my Bible to read, my reusable water bottle, and also a little baggie to carry utensils so I don't keep wasting plastic. And then I have my case for my small tripod, which I'm using now, and then I have my big tripod in there. I have my fanny pack for working out and hiking. In this one, I use more for going out since it's cuter. I brought 2 cans of tuna and crackers in case I don't like the food in quarantine. My makeup bag, my makeup brushes. I have all my jewelry in there. Then I have just another everyday bag and another everyday bag. And that's everything. I will call this all my interests, and I put it all in one space. So I have what I said was my interest side over there. On this side, I have my teaching clothes, which I'm going to get into. I'm putting that on this side. But on this side, I have some bras, so they're intimates. And then I have dresses for going out and every day. They're kind of interchangeable because Thailand is so chill. So then I just brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dresses. I love patterns and colors. And then this is a black jumpsuit. So if I'm not wearing a tops and shorts with jeans, I'm going to be wearing a dress. So for teaching, I just brought 3 dresses. That's 1, 2, 3. 2 teaching skirts, 1 and 2, and 3 teaching tops, 1, 2, and 3. Now we're moving on to the second luggage, which is the black luggage. And in here, I'm going to get into everyday things that I wear if I'm not wearing dresses. So bottoms, tops, shoes, all of that stuff. This is my everyday wear, pretty important stuff. Here I have just a black mini skirt for going out, 2 blouses, a black cardigan because you always need it in case you go to temples and need to cover up your shoulders. I have a towel that I love and I can't live without it, so I brought it with me. I have 3 tank tops in there, and then I have the cotton shirts that I just talked about. And then I just have undergarments here, like 2 white bralettes and 2 spandex. As for bottoms, I brought 3 denim pieces, 2 are shorts, so black denim shorts, blue denim shorts, and then a blue capri, pair of blue capris. And then these are just those loose fitted pants. I got them here in Thailand, if you couldn't tell already. Very comfortable, easy to wear. And then I brought my robe that I also can't live without. I got it in Thailand earlier this year. And then the sandals that I told you about, Okabashi, a pair of workout shoes, and my teaching sandals because for women you have to wear black flats. Alright, so now we're going to get into the second side of the black luggage. Right here is a bunch of skincare stuff that I'm going to quickly run through. Basically everything inside that pouch were just toiletries, which is self-explanatory. Just wanted to quickly mention that if you come to Thailand for a long time, you should bring sunscreen because a lot of Thai sunscreens have whitening effects. And then I've just brought a refill of my moisturizer until I have time to settle down and find a moisturizer that doesn't have whitening effects. And I just did the same thing with my lotion, but other than that, you can buy everything else here. Behind this section is gifts, which is the whole reason as to why I needed to bring a second luggage, so let's get into it. Here's a quick skim of all the gifts, and let's start here. So if you come and teach in Thailand, on your first day of school, you're going to meet your school's director, and your agency will recommend that you bring them a gift. So I brought them these. They both say that they're made in America, so I love this one actually, and I thought it would be really personal. And then I bought this makeup palette for my Thai sister Acha. She always bought me Thai makeup products, and we talked about makeup a lot. So I brought her that, and I brought this for her son. And then here I have chips and candy, more candy. I brought those for close students and friends. And here is 600 candy canes. I brought this for everyone. I wanted to bring something that was light and affordable, so no one should feel left out. So I'm going to bring them to my old students. And then I brought these colored pencils, which go with these two gifts. I brought this for my old Muay Thai coach and close friend Ben. They have a lot of Muay Thai techniques, so I think she'll enjoy it. And then this is from my old student. Her birthday just passed. She was in the Japanese English program, so I think she's going to enjoy that as well. And this is my carry-on. As I said earlier, I didn't really need to fit that much in here as I usually do. I would show you what's inside, but it's a lot of just like t-shirts for sleeping and workout stuff that's either dirty or wet right now because I had to hand wash it and it's air drying. But basically, I just brought like 4 t-shirts to sleep in, 4 workout pants, 5 workout tops, and then right here I put my underwear and bathing suits. Oh yeah, and inside during the flight I did put my laptop charger, and my important paperwork to get approved to arrive in Thailand. And that's everything. That was my mini haul and my packing video for Thailand. If you plan to move to Thailand and you want more specifics on how it is and what to pack, we actually have a packing video already up in this channel, so you can check that out. But that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more, and join us on our adventures in France and Thailand.